Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Gumroad, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link your debit card to your Gumroad account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your debit card to your Gumroad account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're selling your digital products on Gumroad, you know, they have a couple of different payout methods so you can receive your money, and one of those is by connecting your debit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Gumroad account. You want to go to their specific website, app.gumroad.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But once you go to that website, you will need to log into your Gumroad account. I've already logged in. Now, in order to add your debit card as a payment method, you need to click on this hamburger menu. It's going to be here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and in order to insert your debit card as a payment method, scroll down to this button here called Settings. It has a little gear icon next to it. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see different options for your Gumroad account. However, in order to add your debit card as a payment method, up here on the top, click on this button here called Payments. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the different payment methods that you might have already set up with Gumroad. But today we're going to go ahead and add our debit card. So you want to scroll down until you see this line right here called Debit Card. Okay, here they do let you know what the fees are going to be. So with Gumroad right now, it's 10% of the transaction plus 2.9% plus a 30-cent transaction fee. So if you want to use your debit card as a payment method to receive your payouts, you're going to need to enter in your 16-digit debit card number, the expiration date, and 3-digit security code. Also, you do need to note the type of account that you have, whether it's an individual or a business, and you're also going to need to enter in your information, first, last name, address, your phone number, date of birth, and last four of your social security number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all this information in off screen. Okay, so I went ahead and entered in all the required information. I'm going to go ahead and click on Update Settings here on the top. Okay, next you get this pop-up after the screen refreshes. It says, thanks, you're all set up. So now my debit card is attached to my Gumroad account, so I can go ahead and receive payouts directly through my debit card. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your bank debit card to your Gumroad account in order to receive your payouts, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.